Imagine speaking English clearly, confidently, and naturally without relying on expensive tutors or crowded classes. What if you could build real fluency on your own, at home, using a system that actually works? In this video, I'm going to walk you through a clear, actionable solo English learning plan that helps you improve speaking, listening, and confidence step by step, no matter your current level. If you've ever felt stuck, confused about what to practice, or overwhelmed by too many resources, this video will change how you learn English. Many learners believe they need a teacher to become fluent, but that's not true. Fluency comes from consistent exposure, active practice, and smart repetition, not from memorizing grammar rules. Solo learning gives you 3 big advantages. You control the pace. You choose content that actually interests you. You can practice every single day without pressure. The key is not studying harder. The key is studying smarter with a plan. To sound fluent, you must focus on speaking and listening together. Many learners separate them, but real fluency comes when they grow at the same time. Your solo plan should always include daily listening to real English active speaking practice, pronunciation, and rhythm training. Let's break down exactly how to do this. One of the most powerful techniques for solo learners is shadowing. Shadowing means listening to a native speaker and repeating what they say out loud, almost at the same time. Here's how to do it correctly. Choose short audio clips like podcasts, interviews, or YouTube videos. Play one sentence, pause and repeat it exactly as you hear it. Focus on pronunciation, rhythm, and stress. Repeat until it feels natural. This trains your mouth, ears, and brain together. It helps you stop translating in your head and start thinking in English. Do this for 10 to 15 minutes daily, and you'll notice massive improvement. Even as a solo learner, you still need real conversations. You can practice speaking without fear by using language exchange apps, online speaking communities, recording yourself speaking on different topics. If talking to people feels scary, start by talking to yourself. Describe your day, explain your opinions, or retell a story you watched. The goal is not perfection. The goal is comfort and flow. Listening passively is not enough. You must listen actively. Try these exercises. Transcribe short audio clips. Write summaries of podcasts or videos. Pause and note new phrases instead of single words. Focus on how English is used, not just what it means. This helps you understand native speakers faster. Build natural sentence structures. Improve comprehension in real conversations. Do this consistently, even for 10 minutes a day, and your listening skills will skyrocket. Here's a simple solo English routine you can follow daily. 10 minutes of shadowing, 10 minutes of active listening, 10 minutes of speaking practice. That's just 30 minutes a day. Consistency matters more than long study sessions. Fluency is not about talent or luck. It's about showing up every day with a clear plan. You don't need perfect English to start. You just need the right system and consistency. If you found this helpful, like the video, subscribe for more English learning strategies, and start your solo English journey today. You can become fluent, and it starts now.